Hello, everybody. Hey, my name is Brian Nates, and I'm with Michael Harris here today. And this call is specifically for mortgage people, mortgage brokers. So if that's you, loan officers, people in the mortgage industry, we wanted to record this specifically for you. We're part of United Financial Freedom, the Money Max account. And I just wanted to be real. You notice this isn't anything fancy. This is me talking to you and Michael as well. Myself, I was in the mortgage industry. My background is in financial services. I do a lot of retirement planning, life insurance, annuities, things like that. But I cut my teeth in the mortgage industry. And Michael here, Michael Harris, I'll let him speak for a second here. Tell your background a little bit, Michael.
Well, I've been in the mortgage industry now for 36 years. I'm based here in Southern California, do loans in 5 different states. The normal stuff, the forward, the reverse, and I also do all the other items as well, just like you guys do as listeners. And it's so important that you bring product to your client that's useful. And that's what we're talking about today.
Awesome. Thanks, Michael. So let's be real for just a minute. Why do I want you, or why whoever sent you to watch this little video, why are we getting you to watch this? I have a couple questions to even get started. I'm gonna share my slides in a little bit, but really I want you to think about this. Do you want more clients? Hope the answer is yes, right? Do you want to help more clients? Do you want to have more opportunities? Do you want to help clients get in a better place financially, and you're the mortgage person that helped them get there? If the answer is yes to that, all I'm going to tell you to do is pay attention. That's it. Okay. So a question. If you could legitimately help people eliminate most of the interest in their life, pay off that mortgage and their other debts in as little as 5, 6, 7 years, isn't that something that maybe you would want to take a look at? Because if you can help them do that and they could build more equity, and you're the mortgage person that showed them how to do that with a proven system and solution that works, do you think you're going to get more mortgage clients in the future out of that? That's what I saw in it as a mortgage person when I first saw this back in 2007. And I think that's what Michael saw in this as well. Am I right?
Yeah, especially in a changing time. You need to be able to adapt to circumstances, and the rules have changed, if you haven't noticed. And you need to make sure that you have something that's giving you that distinct advantage, and it's also helpful at the same time.
Awesome. So here's what I'm going to say. I'm not going to get into all the details of what our program does, but I'm going to give you enough to hopefully get you to want to learn more and understand more and get with the person that shared this with you. Okay. So let's do that. I'm going to go ahead, and I know that I only got 15 minutes of your time probably. And I should have had this on my screen already, so I apologize. I didn't have it set up there right. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I, again, want to talk to you, the mortgage professional. This is all about you, okay? We have a solution known as the Money Max account, and we work with mortgage pros, real estate pros, insurance agents, financial professionals, business coaches, other types of sales professionals. Why am I showing you it this way? Well, the main reason, it's very clear. This is probably the type of professionals that you, as the mortgage professional, already talk with, already work with, already get referrals with, and referrals to. So if you had a solution that can make that better, I would think you'd want to pay attention to that. So I'm saying, yeah, come along, join us, be part of this, develop more mortgage closings. Yeah, right, Brian. No, I'm serious, okay? Get more opportunities to establish a very powerful brand that builds an advantage over other mortgage pros, even ones that are right down the street from you. Think through that for a minute, okay? You're the mortgage professional. They're a mortgage professional. You go to the same events. You talk to the same people. You want to get business from all the same relationships, and you put yourselves in a room. If you're the professional that says, hey, I have a solution that can help clients eliminate most of the interest in their life, build equity faster, and eliminate their debt in as little as 5, 6, 7 years without having to change their lifestyle at all. Do you think you'll get attention? I'm telling you from experience, you will, and Michael can tell you the same thing. Okay. What if you had a way to do this without your clients? What if you could show them the roadmap? They can't mess it up. And what if, like Michael already said, they could build equity and do this even when times are changing, even in a down market? To me, why is that important for you? If you're the mortgage professional that is showing clients how to do this and building partnerships and relationships, showing others how to do this, if they're building equity quicker, they're going to buy that next home faster. Maybe they're going to buy a rental property quicker. The truth is, they're going to do more. And if you're the mortgage professional that can do that with them, you're going to get more mortgage business. We have proven it. Okay. So what is this solution? Again, it's about you. It's about helping you get more mortgages. You can literally become a go-to expert and an advisor. We have the solution. Everything listed here is real. Okay. And it even can do it on people that are just getting by. I know you have clients like that. I know you have clients that maybe can't even get a mortgage. Michael, do you have any debt files right now in your business as doing it for 36 years?
Absolutely. And we've gone back and talked to those individuals, and their life has changed from 2 years, 3 years, and 1 year ago. So it's staying up with them. This allows you to be relevant. It allows you to stay in touch with somebody. And it's not just that simple little email saying, hi, I'm here. You have something to offer.
Awesome. Okay. So just a little history. I'm going to skip through this fast. We can help you learn more in another conversation. But the whole original thing of this was created by guys in the mortgage industry. That's why I'm bringing up the history. John and Skylar were actually a very successful mortgage company, but they found a way to make a very tangible impact. And through that, it gets better and better and better. What our solution is, the Money Max account, guys, very simply, it is a web-based software system that comes with coaching, comes with upgrades. Our clients are always getting the best technology to help them eliminate the interest out of their life. So much so that the company actually won an Ernst & Young award. If you don't know who they are, they're one of the largest financial firms in the world. And they do a lot of auditing, a lot of financial service industry norms. And they give out this award every single year. For the first iteration of our program, we won. John and Skylar. We're on version 7 now, okay? So the first iteration won. It is so much more and so much better, to the point that we're actually over 80,000 clients. Our clients have eliminated close to 2.5, that's with a B. Some of you may not be able to count numbers that high. You're mortgage brokers, but maybe you can't count that high. That's a joke. 2.5 billion, right? 2.4 and change in debt for our clients have been eliminated. I can tell you right now, because of this program, me personally, I have paid off many debts, even the house that I just bought in January of 2020. And for the record, we're now in April of 2023. Okay. I'm going to have my brand new property that I paid off 3 years ago in only 2 more years. And just for the record, it was a 30-year mortgage without feeling like I'm doing that. The way our system works for clients is impeccable. They need a checking account. They need some sort of offset account. Most of our clients will do it with just a savings account, even a second checking account. A line of credit could make it maybe better for them. Well, even a home equity line of credit. I mean, you're a mortgage person. Do you know how a home equity line of credit works? And do you know someone that can maybe help them get one? Probably you. So wow, that just opened up that conversation. That's pretty nice, right? And there's even ways to do things with different type of insurance strategies and stuff. But what is so neat is you have a book of business that is asking for this help, needing this help, wanting this help. And we just built the software and the system and the coaching to come alongside you as the professional, help your clients together. And we've even built out an affiliate program where you can get compensated for doing so. Okay, that's why we're reaching out to you with this. What our program does, it is like a GPS system for your finances. It looks at everything, looks at the client's interest on their debts, looks at their cash flow, looks at their income, looks at their expenses, their checking account, their savings account, their credit cards, lines of credit. Some have cash value in other policies and life insurance policies, etc., money markets, etc. And it figures out the fastest mathematical path to zero to make sure every penny is working for them, either earning interest or canceling bad interest, getting it out of their life. And you're the hero. You're the professional that will show them this. When we meet with them and we go through things with them, yeah, we're going to show them the truth. Okay, we educate them first. We let them see what we know as mortgage brokers and mortgage loan officers, but maybe we don't deep dive enough, right? Because we're so conditioned ourselves on rate and payment, right? That's what we're trying to help the client do. What's the best rate? What's the best payment? But what if you could take your company, your book of business up to a whole nother level and really show them the truth and the difference on interest rate versus interest volume. The amount of interest they're actually paying on their debts does matter. And quite frankly, is robbing most of Americans from their retirement. And we are able to show them that and help them get on a path to eliminating the interest. And so we go through a whole session where we're going to actually help. And we'll show you how you can do this with your clients and make a real difference in their life. Okay. Some of the things that, Michael, would you like to talk about the tip? Right? I joke about calling it the tip for the bank, but go ahead.
Well, the interesting thing is here we talked about a mortgage at 3%. How many of you are still writing a 3% mortgage right now in 2023?
Mm-mm.
You're writing something in the high fives at best, probably in the sixes, and some of you even in the sevens. So when you look at the 69.46%, which is the total interest percentage, and this is right from your truth, not truth in lending, because that's above old, but now from your loan disclosure, your initial disclosures, you're seeing this number on page 4. Now on that number right now with interest rates higher, that's going to be closer to 120 some odd percent.
Yep.
That is the amount. If you look at that mortgage statement, you know how much of that is going towards interest. Brian just showed you. You need to educate the client that you're going to help them retire that interest early so you can get the meat of the principal much sooner.
Awesome. So just to give you a financial picture, what does our program really do for clients? You have a GPS system. I use the Waze app. Michael, I don't know what you use, but I use Waze, right? A lot of people use GPS in their car or their iPhone, iMaps, Google.
You don't pull out that big unfolding map and
right. We don't do that anymore. Exactly. Right. What our program is designed to do, we spent $20 million developing this. Okay. We got mathematical engineers, program developers, aeronautical engineers, and we developed literally a financial GPS. You will never fully understand how valuable this could be for you, for your business, and for your clients until you actually saw a demo. And we invite you to get and come and see the demo of what the platform actually does for clients. But here's a sample family. This is a real client of ours. This is their income, this is their debts, this is their payments, their other expenses, and they were going to be debt-free in 30 years. But because of implementing the Money Max account program for them, right? Instead of paying $234,000 in interest, they now are only going to pay, yes, you read that right, $68,000 in interest and have all that debt paid off in 9 years. Let's just pretend they're 50 years old. Well, do they want to be debt-free at 80 and destroy their retirement? Because they may be dead by then, right? They may die when they're 75 and all the stress of their debt got to them. Or they're 40 right now, or 50, I said, right? So by the time they're 60, they are debt-free. And now they can live a really good, comfortable retirement because they don't have all this money going away from them anymore. It's staying inside their economy to do what they want to do, to live the dreams and the retirement they want to live. That's the difference we're seeing in what this program is doing for clients.
Brian, a lot of our listeners right now and people watching are going, This is ridiculous. It's not possible.
Right.
And that's really from the mortgage side being skeptical. And when you look at these numbers, numbers don't lie. You just have to know how to understand them and use them. And the banks and the insurance companies have been doing it for years. Many financial experts don't understand the power of numbers from the other side. And that's what this is going to show you. When Brian shows you 9.2 years from roughly, let's say, a 30-year loan, this is not just the mortgage. This is the credit cards. These are the other items. You still have your monthly expenses, your water bill, your gas bill. You still have the normal things that will go on. But when I can look at my situation and I see 26, 27 years going down under 10, that's a huge savings. Now, you might be able to say, hey, I can do this myself, but you're going to leave money on the table because you can be the perfect financial person and still leave money on the table and not be perfect. I ran the numbers. I did the math. I was leaving about 3.2 years on the table. Now I'm in California. My mortgage payment, times that by 36, 37, 38. Holy cow. I was leaving a lot of money on the table. This is going to take you 10 to 15 minutes a month. And it's a lot better than the spreadsheets you're trying to use now or your clients are.
Awesome. So that being said, what we are suggesting is learn more. This is not to try to show you how everything works. This was to get your attention as a mortgage professional and saying, hey, if you don't have this as an arrow in your quiver to service people and make a difference in their life, bluntly, we're coming. Okay. We are transparently wanting to work with as many mortgage professionals that will have the open mind to understand more and see what this could do for their clients. So I'm going to encourage you to get a demo, learn more, run your own numbers in it, put your own scenario in it, and see what this can do for you, for your family, for your clients. It's a 24-minute demo. Matter of fact, the person that wanted you to watch this intro video can send you the demo. You can watch it at your own leisure if you want. Even better, do a real demo live, right? But we have a recorded one that I've done that I can share that we can use. Okay. But once you see the value and the power of using a GPS program, but for your cash flow and your finances, that here's what it's doing. It's looking at every debt you have, your income, your expenses, your future steps, and it's giving you a perfect mathematical step by step path that all you have to do is follow the steps. And if something's coming up in the future that's going to change, like you're going to get a new job or you're buying a new car, or for you investors that may be looking at this, or mortgage pros that have investors, what if you could show them in real time, like a GPS recalculates in real time, what that new mortgage is going to look like for them with the new rental, and they want to buy another rental in 2 years and another one in 3 years. What if you had the perfect pathway, just like a GPS system gives you those steps and shows you your destination time and when you're going to be somewhere. But if you make a different turn because you're going to go get something to eat or whatever, it recalculates your steps and shows you how that's going to affect your trip. What if you had that for yourself and your clients to make really perfect mathematical decisions, not emotion-based, but math-based? That is so unbelievably powerful, and I encourage you to do that. When they become clients, if you become a client, you'll get coaching, like literally, and I want you to know that as a mortgage pro, your job is to help clients make a difference in their life, help get more loans for yourself. That's how you make your income. That's your profession. So when you get a client on this, please know you won't have to be the one coaching them all the time as well. Okay. We have coaches that are set up at corporate to assist our clients and really go above and beyond to help you shine for them. And that is a powerful, powerful partnership that corporate has agreed to for the people in the field like us. Okay. Lastly, you create a ton of value. You get to partner with referral machines all over the place. Imagine if you could partner with mortgage brokers in other states, real estate agents in other states, financial professionals all over the place in your circle and other circles. And they were bringing you clients to work with. And when you got them excited And when they eliminated their debt and get built equity quicker and they want to buy another property, who are they going to go to? They're going to go to you because you're the one that made a difference in their life. Not to mention, for them become a client of this program, yes, we do have an affiliate program. That's why we're targeting you, okay? You're going to make anywhere between $400 and $2,000 compensation for this. And then some of you have teams, or some of you wouldn't mind building some sort of agency, partnering with real estate professionals, mortgage professionals, financial planners, CPAs, business coaches, and you literally can build a team for yourself nationally where when they share it and make it with their clients and get them on it, that you're actually getting an override off that business as well. That is a huge win. And guess what? There is a fee. There's a fee of $149, no monthly fees, okay? No anything that's making it consistent on you every month. But you get to be a part of this. And so there's a fee. And that comes with your back office, marketing video, websites. You have access to things like this to market to others. And we know that there's a solution that works and that this can make a difference in your business and make a difference in your clients' lives.
And you're not using your license.
And you're not using your license. Thank you. That's very important, actually. Okay. So what should you do? Well, schedule some time, whether it's myself or Michael that shared this with you, or the other agent in our business that shared this with you. Schedule some time to learn more. Run your own analysis. That's kind of what makes it real. Would you agree, Michael?
Absolutely. You got to see the numbers, but what you got to remember, the right numbers get the right results. You hold back, it's not going to give you the right answers. So
sure.
This is a perfect GPS program requires the right junk in to get the right junk out.
And for those that are listening, well, Brian, Michael, my income is all over the map. 1 month it's $5,000, the next month it's 25, the next month it's nothing, right? We know that. And that's why a GPS system is a whole lot better than a map, because a GPS system recalculates with real-time data coming directly from your account's activities, okay? So know that. When we do a demo and when we do an analysis, imagine this was you for just a minute. Would you like to be debt-free in 27 years or 5.8? Would you like to pay $219,000 in interest or 47, saving $171,000? Do you see this right here? Imagine for just a minute that you could tell your clients, hey, I know the interest rates are 6-7% right now, but I have a program that can crush that interest, and your effective rate could be a third of that or even less. You're reading this right. Their effective rate is 0.66% on this debt. That is so powerful. And some of you may not even understand what I'm meaning by saying that. Love to talk more and explain what this is all doing for you, for your clients, and for your business.
Brian, to point out, that's somebody who had a 3.5% interest rate.
Right.
You have clients that have much higher than that now, but no, you can go back to those lower interest rates and still have a benefit for them.
Absolutely. So thank you for your time. I'm going to stop recording right now, stop sharing my screen. I appreciate it. I hope that this is enough to just learn more. You should see a demo. You should learn why our program works so well and how it works and what it can do for your business. So Michael, thanks for taking the time with me to do this. And I hope anything else you want to close with?
No, I think they just need to get started. Open your mind, understand there's things out there, and get started.
Awesome. Thanks now.